Hello everyone. Today we will learn very basic formula of Microsoft Excel which is called subtraction or deduction function, and after watching this tutorial you'll be able to learn this formula. Let's get into the video. So I have very simple example. I have few columns, salary column, tax column, and net income. So if I want to calculate net income, so I have to deduct tax from my salary. So I will use subtraction or deduction function. So it start with is equal to. I click on this cell, it will pick its reference number, then minus sign, and then this cell reference, press enter. So it will deduct the tax from the salary and will give me the net income amount. If I just want to copy the formula for rest of the rows as well, I will drag from the bottom. When you see the plus sign, I can drag it and it will calculate the net income for rest of the rows as well. So this is how you can use this formula for calculating the net income or any other calculation. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.